Today I'm going to show you how to stake a Monstera. What you see on the screen is my Monstera. I've been staking it for about a year now, so this is how it looks. At the beginning, I didn't know how to stake a Monstera. Even after watching a few YouTube videos, I really didn't know what I was doing. But after a while, it finally hit me. So I'm here in this video to help out with some clarification. The first thing you need to do is to figure out how many plants you have in a single pot. If you have multiple plants in a single pot, then it would look like this. If you have a single plant in a single pot, then it should practically look like mine. I only have one plant in my pot. The reason why you need to know this is because the number of plants you have in a single pot determines how many stakes you need in that same pot. You essentially need one stake for each plant. Or if you have a large enough stake, then you can use one stake for all your plants. This is completely a preference and it's up to you on what you want to do. The next thing you want to do is to find the main stem. The main stem is located near the base of the leaf stem. It is the space between the two leaf stems. This is also the location of where you tie your plant to the stake. So once you found the main stem, the next thing to do is to find the backside of the main stem. This is the side of the plant where it is opposite of the V shape made by the leaf stems. Typically you'll see one leaf go to the left and one leaf go to the right to form that V shape. So once you determine what side the leaves are facing, the opposite side of that is the backside of the main stem. Or another way to find the backside of the main stem is to find the flat side of the leaf stem and follow that all the way back to the plant. Where that points to is the backside of the main stem. Once you found the backside of the main stem, this is also the location of where you put the stake. The stake should be closest to the main stem, so it is easy to tie the plant to the stake. The next thing is to place the plant tie. If you tie the plant onto the leaf stem, then this will hinder the plant from moving, so avoid this at all costs. You can place the plant tie all the way down closest to the next adjacent leaf stem. Then you simply tie the plant tie onto the wooden stake. So that's essentially how you stake a Monstera. If you do this while the plant is pretty young and stay consistent with it, the plant will grow vertically and look pretty much like mine. Hopefully this video is helpful and gives it a little bit more guidance than some of the videos here on YouTube. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'll see you next time.